Have you noticed that climbing the stairs feels tougher lately, or that bending down to pick something up takes more effort than it used to? That slow creeping loss of strength, it's something many people over 60 feel but often just accept as part of aging. What if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? Aging is natural, but losing strength doesn't have to be. This isn't just aging, it's something called sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is age-related muscle degeneration. It can lead to muscle weakness, mobility issues, and even dangerous falls. But you're not powerless. Simple daily actions can make a big difference. There is a way to support your muscles and keep your body strong. Using something as simple and delightful as fruit. Yes, the right fruits can help protect you from muscle loss and sarcopenia and help you stay active and independent for longer. In this video I want to share with you 4 powerful fruits and 5 daily habits that naturally fight muscle loss and help build strength without needing pills, powders or complicated routines. Each one is backed by science. They're easy to find at any grocery store, and safe to enjoy, even if you're managing diabetes or heart health. And the fruit that tops this list, it's something you probably have in your kitchen right now. But you may have never guessed just how powerful it is. So stick around, because the number 1 fruit might not be what you expect. If you're enjoying this content, be sure to leave a comment and subscribe to HealthEclipse, where every tip is crafted with your well-being in mind. Now let's dive into the first fruit. First up, prunes. Prunes aren't just good for digestion, they're rich in boron and vitamin K, which help maintain bone and muscle strength. They also contain antioxidants that reduce muscle inflammation. A few prunes a day can support recovery and prevent tissue breakdown. You can snack on them as is or add them to oatmeal for a muscle-friendly breakfast. Next, bananas. You've probably heard bananas are good for potassium. But they also contain magnesium, both of which are critical for muscle function. These minerals help with muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and cramp prevention. Plus, the natural sugars give you clean energy, ideal before or after light activity. 1 banana a day can go a long way. 3. Oranges. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, which helps produce collagen. Collagen supports muscles, tendons, and ligaments. As we age, collagen production slows down, making this fruit even more important. And that burst of hydration from oranges helps muscles contract efficiently. That's 3 fruits down, each supporting strength in different ways. But now it's time for number 5. And this one might surprise you. Because it's common, affordable, and powerful, you may already have it in your fridge. But very few people know what it can really do. 4. Tart cherry. Tart cherries contain anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and soreness. But even more impressive, tart cherry juice may help regenerate aging muscles. It's been shown to reduce post-workout pain and improve recovery speed. Drink half a cup of unsweetened juice in the evening, it even helps with sleep. Let's explore the habits that help you stay strong, mobile and full of life at any age. Habit number 1, daily walking. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day can boost blood flow, stimulate muscle activity, and protect your joints. Even slow walks count, consistency is more important than speed. Walking also improves posture, balance, and confidence. Habit number 2, resistance training. You don't need heavy weights. Bodyweight exercises like squats, wall push-ups, or chair rises can wake up dormant muscles. Do 10 to 15 minutes, 3 times a week. It tells your body, we still need strength here. Habit number 3, stay hydrated. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, more if you're active or in a warm climate. Muscles need water to recover and function properly. Dehydration leads to fatigue and tightness, often mistaken for aging. None of them require fancy equipment or expensive supplements. Just simple daily choices that add up to major results. If you found this helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.